You see other people making lots of money with affiliate marketing, but you are here struggling to make even a single dime. You know why? Because you might be making these six mistakes in your business that you even don't know. These are not the common mistakes that I'm going to share with you, that you will find in every other YouTube video. I have made all these mistakes in my business and that stopped me to make money from very long time. So I will share with you real things that happen in my journey. So watch the video till the end to know how you can avoid these mistakes and save your time and make money faster, because that's what we all want. Let's start with the first mistake: choosing too many products to promote. I see many beginners in the starting, they become an affiliate for the multiple products because it's so easy and free to join the affiliate programs. They start promoting multiple products, they create content around multiple products. Now what it does, it confuses their audience which product they should buy. Now you need to remember one thing here: more product does not mean more money. So instead of focusing on promoting multiple products in the starting, your focus should be on promoting one or maybe two products that you actually believe in, and you know these are the products will going to help people. Once you start getting some sales, once you know how everything works, then you can start adding complementary products in your business. Let's talk about the second mistake: not providing enough value. Lot of beginners in the starting make this mistake. Instead of providing value, they always focus on selling the product. If you are always just selling and selling without providing enough information, without providing value, then no one will going to buy from you, because people will not able to trust you. And that is one of the biggest reason why people are not able to make money with affiliate marketing, because they always just try to sell without nurturing their audience, without building the trust between among their audience. So your focus should be on creating content, valuable content, like tips, tutorials, reviews that help your audience to achieve their goals. You can also share your experience that you have in your journey. That will also going to help your audience. Once you do that, they will find you genuine, they will start trusting you, and they will buy whatever the product you are going to promote. Now another mistake that lot of beginners made, that is expecting instant result. As there is a lot of misinformation going on the internet, like you can make $5,000, $10,000, 30 days, 60 days without doing this, without doing this, without doing anything. You don't need to do the work and all of these things. So people come up with the wrong expectation of getting instant result, making money overnight, making money quickly. They don't focus on the real work that it requires to build a successful business, because reality is totally different. Lot Affiliate marketing requires a lot of hard work, consistency, time. You have to be patient, you have to keep putting in the work, and you will see the result over time. Don't just quit, don't just give up because you don't see the instant success, because there is nothing like instant success in this world. Now another mistake that I'm going to tell you cost me thousands of dollars in the starting, that is not understanding your audience. Before promoting the product, you need to have a clear idea who is your target audience, who you will be promoting the product, what are their goals, what are their pain points, problems, everything you need to know about your audience. Do they really need your product? Are they financially qualified to buy your product? So you need to have an understanding about all of these things, because I remember I had a very hard time in selling my first affiliate product, and that too was a high ticket product of $2,000. I started promoting that product on Instagram. I was using organic traffic, I was creating content every single day. I was getting started getting inquiries about the product. I was getting leads every single day, but at the end, no one was buying the product. I was getting all the objections like, I don't have money, I don't want to invest that much, and I was so pissed, and I was pissed off with all those objections. Later, after some time, I realized I was not targeting right audience. The product I was promoting, that was not the right fit for those kind of audience, because the audience I was getting was very immature. immature in a way. They don't have any idea about affiliate marketing. They don't have much knowledge about online business. So they were not ready to invest that much amount. If I would sell them a low ticket that does not have that much risk, will buy from. Maybe they bought that product. So you need to make sure the product you are promoting is the right fit for the audience you are targeting, because if the audience is not right, then it will going to be very 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 hard for you to sell the product. Now if you want to make full time income with affiliate marketing, then don't make this mistake of promoting low ticket product. It's good in the starting if you promote low ticket products, but in the long run it would not be profitable. Once you get some initial low ticket sales, you have some confidence in yourself, you have learned some skills, then start promoting high ticket product, because high ticket product is the way to make a good amount of money with affiliate marketing. High ticket products pays you more than $500 commission on every single sale, because with the low ticket it will be very very hard for you to make good amount of money. Let's say you are promoting a low ticket product that pays you $5 to $10 commission on every sale. Now to make full time income, you need large number of sales. You need more traffic, more people. It will going to be very 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 hard. It will going to be very very hard to achieve your income goal, and this way you will only going to lead you burnout pretty fast. Now here is another smart way promoting high ticket product. So with the high ticket product, you only need few sales to make your full time income. Like let's take an example. So if you are promoting a product that will pay you $500 commission, then to make $3,000 to $4,000, you only need few number of sales. You only need 7 to 8 sales to make decent amount of money, and it requires same effort to promote low ticket and high ticket product. Don't think that it will require more effort to promote high ticket product. It's not. Only difference is with the low ticket you will get less return, and with the high ticket on the same effort you will get high return. With the high ticket you will reach your income goals faster and able to build a sustainable income stream with affiliate marketing. Now let's talk about the another mistake that I see lot of beginners do to make more money, but in reality they lose their money. They promote low quality products to make more money. But if you are promoting low ticket products, then you are making big mistake. Never ever promote low ticket product. It will going to harm your image in the long term. Even if the people buy the product after trusting you one time, but when that person would not find the product helpful, would not find the product valuable, then that person would not going to trust you again. They will not buy any other product from you in the future. Affiliate marketing is all about building trust with your audience. If they trust you, they will buy the product whatever you are promoting. But if they find that you are promoting low ticket product just to make money, you don't care them, there is no trust, they would not buy anything from you. A single low quality product can cost you loyal followers and lots of future sales. So instead of promoting anything, everything, focus on promoting the product that you believe in. Do the research, check reviews, if possible buy the product and use by yourself to test the product, whether this product is actually good or not, whether you can recommend that product to your audience or not. When you recommend only high quality products to your audience, you will able to build a reputation, someone who genuinely care about their audience, and that is very less to find in today's time. And you will make more money in the future that you would not be able to make by promoting low quality products. Now you know what are the mistakes that you need to avoid to make money with affiliate marketing. But I have something more for you that will increase your result 10 times. In this video, I have shared 3 powerful traffic sources that will bring you more quality traffic, more leads. And the more traffic you will have, the more money you will make. You can click here and watch the video.